Hello and welcome back to Coin Matters channel. Is everyone free on June 13th? Regarding the cryptocurrency market, when can we expect a resolution between Ripple and the SEC? Today's video will discuss the long-term prospects for XRP, so pay close attention since this is information you won't want to miss. If you're new here, you can enter the giveaway by subscribing to the channel and activating post alerts by clicking the bell. Keep in mind that this is not a video offering financial guidance. Bill Morgan, a prominent Australian attorney, criticizes Coinbase for not facilitating the purchase and selling of XRP on the secondary market. The pro-XRP attorney made this statement while elaborating on his previous criticism of the American stock market. On June 7th, Morgan tweeted that it was foolish for exchanges like Coinbase to continue to prohibit secondary trading of XRP. Coinbase claims in its response to the SEC's Wells notice, he argues, are at odds with the exchange's treatment of XRP. To the Wells, he affixed a snippet of Coinbase response. Exchange's notice claiming that trades on its secondary market do not involve an investment contract, regardless of whether or not the issuer was actively promoting the trades at the time. According to Morgan, it would make sense for Coinbase to prohibit Ripple and its agents from selling XRP on its platform. But he said that Coinbase had stopped facilitating any secondary market transactions involving XRP, including unrelated deals. Morgan promised to keep pointing out the flaws in the transaction. Despite their disagreements, he has publicly stated his support for Coinbase in the company's ongoing legal struggle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Not even a month after the SEC filed charges against Ripple for violating federal securities laws, Coinbase pulled the plug on XRP trading. Many XRP advocates, including Morgan, feel that Coinbase was unjust to the coin and its supporters, notwithstanding attorney John Deaton's assertion that the decision was motivated by Coinbase's intention to go public at the time. Even though the SEC has classified Algorand as a security, Coinbase has not yet suspended its support for the cryptocurrency. The recent comment by attorney Morgan came in response to a Twitter thread started by SeedStarter's CEO, Jess Hines. Hines called on the XRP community to put aside their differences and support the 6 recent enforcement action victims in the thread. After the SEC filed suit against Ripple in December 2020 for breaching federal securities laws via its offer and sale of XRP, XRP supporters felt the crypto community abandoned them. Hines said that, in the beginning of Ripple's legal dispute, Coinbase and Binance might have done more. With the SEC suing Coinbase and Binance and labeling various crypto assets, including ADA and BNB, as securities, he said that other crypto communities perceived Ripple and XRP enthusiasts as the bad guys. Many others in the Bitcoin world have begun to voice their disapproval of the regulator's harsh enforcement policies. Interestingly, XRP supporters have not made things easy for the latest victims of a sex-related court dispute by constantly reminding them of their prolonged quiet following Ripple's lawsuit. Meanwhile, Hines believes the XRP community should rise above the critiques and welcome other crypto fans who are speaking out against the SEC's hostile stance. You have been giving these businesses and organizations a run for their money for the past few days. Hines urged the group to take on the role of the welcoming outsider who has been there and can understand the range of feelings and sensations others are encountering for the first time. If you want to be among the first to know about any new XRP-related developments, make sure you subscribe to our channel and enable notifications. Fox Business reporter Eleanor Terrett revealed the date of June 13, 2023, in a tweet she posted on June 7th. The Bitcoin market could see a flurry of activity today. The pro-crypto journalist claims that the date of the likely release of Hinman's docs coincides with the hearing on crypto legislation that will take place before the House Financial Services Committee. The next congressional crypto hearing has been scheduled for Tuesday, June 13, 2023 at 1800 hours Universal Time Coordinated, as revealed by Terrett in a reply to her previous tweet, Preterate Chairman Patrick McHenry. According to Tourette, the upcoming hearing will focus on clarifying the future of digital assets. The hearing will take place in the Rayburn House office building, which is important to know. The hearing in Congress is part of the U.S. government's endeavor to clarify rules for the developing economy. McHenry also argued that federal agencies like the CFTC and SEC should work together to better safeguard American consumers. The upcoming congressional crypto hearing will center on clarifying regulations for the cryptocurrency business and the broader digital asset ecosystem. Curiously, crypto supporters are hoping that SEC Chair Gary Gensler's recent crackdown on crypto businesses would be discussed at the hearing. Meanwhile, there has been a lot of buzz around Hinman's documents as of late. On June 13th, the document will be released to the public per Judge Annalisa Torres' sealing order in the SEC versus Ripple action. Documents compiled by William Hinman reveal the SEC's deliberations in advance of his 2018 statement declaring Bitcoin and Ethereum not to be securities. The SEC took extensive measures, including challenging the court's judgments more than 5 times, to prevent the documents from being released to Ripple. On the other hand, the day of the forthcoming congressional crypto hearing, June 13th, Hinman's email will be released to the public. In addition, the XRP community keeps responding to Brad Garlinghouse, CEO of Ripple. As Garlinghouse put it, Gary Gensler, chairman of the Securities and Exchange Commission, has taken a pro-innovation position, although the commission has been actively cracking down on cryptocurrencies. In light of the SEC's recent crackdown on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance and Coinbase and SEC Chair Gensler's comments on the topic, Garlinghouse felt compelled to weigh in. According to Garlinghouse, the SEC filed suit against Binance and Coinbase in November 2022 to divert attention from the fact that it was taken off guard by the collapse of the FTX ecosystem at that time. It's disgusting to see an unelected bureaucrat flailing about like this because his agency lacks the authority he craves. As he put it, no one is fooled. The comment from the Ripple CEO has triggered emotions from XRP supporters who are ready for the conclusion of the ongoing legal struggle with the SEC. Members of the Common and XRP communities responded to Garlinghouse's tweet by speculating that his stern words would portend a losing legal battle for the company with the SEC. The tweeter in question interprets the phrases as a possible trial date or a consideration of appealing the summary judgment ruling to a higher court. The person sought the advice of attorney Jeremy Hogan, a partner at Hogan & Hogan. In response to recent rumors, attorney Hogan stressed that it was too soon to talk about settling the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. That's all the news we have for you today, fellas. How do you feel about XRP? Participate and share your thoughts in the discussion thread. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Additionally, if you want to be alerted the next time we release a video on the latest XRP and cryptocurrency news, be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video. Bye.